SMBs. Michael here, aka Travs, back for another morning walk and talk. It is February 25th. It's like 6:45 a.m. and it is a balmy 34 degrees outside. So not too bad. I don't know if you saw yesterday's walk and talk. We had snow on the ground. Today, not so much snow at all. So I want to talk a little bit today about keywords. Are you using keywords in your blog articles? Are they optimized for keywords, things like that? Now, why is that something you want to do? Well, you could create a blog article about anything, put it out there, and it might get a lot of views or whatever. It's possible. But chances are the people that you're trying to reach aren't searching for just general topics like that. So for instance, in my industry, marketing. Could I write blog posts about marketing? I could. But if you want to search and try to find some help for marketing, are you going to search for marketing? Probably not. You're going to say marketing for real estate business or marketing for sign companies or marketing consultants, whatever it may be. So the way I look at it is you have your main category, like for me would be marketing. You have your subcategories, which might be, SMB, small business, medium-sized business. And then you have your niche, whatever people want to say. So with that, your niche might be, marketing consultant for real estate company, marketing consultant for plumbers, marketing help for plumbers, whatever it may be. So write down those three things, category, subcategory, niche. Write down what keywords you think apply to them. And here's the tip. Go to Google Ads, create a free account. You don't have to pay for anything. Create a free account. When you do this, you get access to the keyword tool planner. Now, what does that do? That allows you to take these keywords that you thought of in your head already, put them in the planner, and see how they're performing in Google search. The beauty of it is you're also going to see keywords that Google suggests might be for you. So, let's say I put marketing into Google keyword tool as my category. Okay? It's going to show me other keywords that are related to marketing that might be of use to me. For instance, it might pop up digital marketing. Now what you want to do is, after you put these keywords in, there's a couple things that I like to look at when finding new keywords or to see how these keywords perform. I look at monthly searches. So it's a combination of things. It's not really just, one thing that sticks out. So I look at monthly searches. I look at percentage of change year over year. And I look at competition. Those are the three main things that I look at. Now, why is that? Well, let's say marketing gets 50,000 keyword searches a month. You're probably thinking, oh my God, 50,000 searches a month. That's great. Well, not really. What's the competition like? Is it high? That means there's a lot of people trying to rank for that keyword. Year over year change. Are people steadily searching more and more for that keyword, or is it declining in popularity? So let's say marketing had 50,000 searches a month. Year over year change was plus 48%, and competition was low. Is that a keyword I want to rank for? Depends. Do I want to try to maybe drum up some visitors to the site or something like that? Then, I might put out blog article or two just covering marketing. But that broad of a keyword, I don't expect too many people from that to want to come to my site and purchase my services or our products. That's when your subcategories come in and your niches come in. So I would look at SMBs, small businesses, medium businesses. Then I would say, who do I want to target from that? I want to do digital marketing for plumbing companies, or a marketing consultant for, dentists. And that's who I would optimize my blog articles for. So let's say I would then type in digital marketing for plumbers. That would be my long tail keyword. Put that into the Google tool, and it's going to suggest other things from there. Now I'm looking at things that have low competition, good search volume, and good year-over-year change. That's just my opinion. So there's your tip for today. That's how to find those keywords so you can optimize those blog articles and other marketing pieces to help your organic search ranking get higher and higher in Google, because it's getting more and more important. It's super hard to get on first page of Google, which means, maybe I'm wrong, but with AI on the first page and everything, I think people might actually explore going to the second page. I don't know though, but hey, that's tip of the day. Another walk and talk in the books, baby.